This video is about a 45-day revision plan timetable for the NEET MDS exam, which is going to be held on March 6th, 2022. So in this video, I'll brief about how we are going to conduct the revision batch crash course classes. Those who are going to join the class, you can just have an overlook on how the class will take place. Or those who are doing preparation on your own, you can get some idea from this timetable plan. So let's move on to the timetable. So the class is going to start from Jan 17th 2022. So from Jan 17th to March 6th you have 47 days, which I have divided into two parts. First part is 5 weeks of full preparation and the remaining 2 weeks is revision part. So now all the subjects which are there in the syllabus, a total of 20 subjects, I have grouped them into three categories. Fourth category is the last one. Three are very important categories. So if you see the subjects, they are all starred into different types. So you can see the blue colored one, it is 1 star, and then you have all the green colored ones, they are 2 star subjects, and all the red colored ones, they are 3 star subjects, and then you have 6 subjects which are not starred. So now, according to the importance of every subject and the weightage for the exam, I have grouped them into different stars. So if you see the 3 star subjects which are marked in red color, there are 4 subjects. They carry almost highest weightage of mark: the oral pathology, medicine, maxillofacial surgery, and anatomy. They carry more number of marks in terms of weightage and the coverage in different subjects, and they are important concept subject which you cannot afford to miss it. After that comes the green star subject. So for the exam, if you are doing preparation during the last minute, or if you haven't done preparation completely, at least you have to cover the 3 star and the 2 star subject. That is, the red colored ones and the green colored ones are the must covering subjects. After that, if you have time, you can go to the blue ones. Then lastly, you can go for the black colored ones. So now this is just for your self assessment, how much time you have to spend during the last minute preparation, how much time you should spend for your target rank. This you can have a small overview. You can pause the video and see where you stand. If your main purpose is just to clear the exam, at least you should focus on the 3 star subject. That is, those four subjects, and you have to focus mainly on the important questions. Now, how do you know which question is important and which question is not important? So you will have one basic MCQ textbook. Whichever textbook it is, you will definitely have one book with you, which compiles all the MCQs from all the subjects. So those MCQs, towards the end of the each question, or they'll have a separate column stating exam repeat question. So these questions have been asked in some particular examination, be it NEET or it is AIM, PGI, whatever. So only those questions you have to circle and keep it in well in advance, so that when you are doing preparation during the last 2 months before exam, you should completely cover all the questions which have been asked in an exam, all the important questions. So these are called as important MCQs. So you should not sit and waste time in one particular subject or one particular topic trying to cover 100 200 MCQs. Rather, in all the subjects, all the topics, you should at least complete one round of exam repeat important MCQs. This is one important trick and tip for your exam preparation. So now, our 5 weeks of preparation, 5 weeks mainly comprises of all the important topics from different subjects. So I have combined topics here and there. If you would have seen our main batch preparation, we have 4 months of elaborate discussion for different topics. So that 4 month timetable is only applicable when you are doing a preparation for your next year's exam. But now, as of now, for a revision, you should focus mainly on the important topics. So those 4 month timetable, if you are doing your preparation for your 2023 exam, then you can go through the 4 month timetable. I have put the link in the description. As of now, for revision purpose, I have put only the important topics from different subjects. So your week 1, then week 2, week 3, and week 4. All important topics discussion you will have some notes and important points related to that particular topic will be uploaded. Either it will be uploaded in your Google Classroom app, or you will have a separate Telegram group where your notes will be uploaded, and very important topics videos will be uploaded in YouTube as well. So after the week 4, week 5, slowly your revision phase will start, because we'll come to the mid of Feb. So from after 15th of February, you should start with your preparation revision part slowly. So until then, all the important topics you should try to cover. From week 5 onwards, we'll have all the classifications, case-based scenario questions, and important points, high-yield MCQ points. So for every topic from every important subjects, you will have some high yield points. You should remember those points, because most of the questions will be based on only from all those important high yield MCQ points. So those high yield MCQ points discussion will start from week 5, and week 6 onwards we'll have the previous year paper examination discussion, then some image based questions and some case based question, and the last week of your preparation you will have a complete examination paper discussion. Mostly the previous year exam questions, NEET, AIMS and PGI paper discussions will take place during the week 7th. So in between every week, we'll have some small unit test papers, and every Sunday you will have a full exam paper will be uploaded, and you have to write your examination. So those who are doing preparation on your own, you can download the PDF. You can contact us for getting the PDF, and you can see the timetable subjects. If you are doing your preparation on your own, make sure all these important topics are covered in your preparation. Instead of covering one particular subject and skipping another subject, even if the subject carries only very small weightage also, the important topics are mentioned in the timetable. So you make sure that all these topics are covered in your preparation. Thank you.